Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Negusy Denture you can say silicone reline kit. You should buy this kit or not. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all I want to tell you the costing. You can see the costing is like $36, and I have already done lots of videos on this topic. So I want to tell you this is not a unique product. On internet you can get these kind of product very easily. And if we talk about the problems, the first problem of these kind of stores is when you purchase product, there is no guarantee you will get your product or not. Okay, and if you get the product is not, you can say, uh, exactly as they shown in the pictures. The product is totally different product you will get. Okay, and if you want to return your product, you are not able to return your product. You are going to face lots of issues. Okay, so the thing is this is a drop shipping product, and there is no, you can say there is no such type of proof available this is looking like a worthy product. All product these kind of category, all the product are, you can say, drop shipping product. Okay, so be safe, be secure, save your hard-earned money. Don't try to purchase. If you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comments will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.